What if studying in America is about becoming much more complicated for the international students, especially Indians? A major legal battle is underway in the US over a new student visa rule, and this rule could change how far the F1 and J1 students stay in the country. From August 18, a group of universities, the education organizations, and the labor unions sued the US Department of Homeland Security. They want a court to stop the new rules before they start on September 15th. So, what the changes are? Let's first understand that. The F1 can generally stay in the US as maintain their student status and continue to study. But the new rule would now replace the duration of status, the system, with a fixed stay up to just 4 years. And this could matter a lot of Indians too. Now, imagine an Indian student starting a 4-year degree but needs extra time because of the challenges in course, maybe change in their academic delays, or even for some other reason. Understand the new system, trying longer to require the extensions of the stay. But the rules around changing universities, changing the study plans, and starting additional programs could also be stricter. But there's another important change. The grace period also completing a course of OPT that could be reduced from up to 60 days to just 30 days. For Indian students planning to move to the F1 to OPT and then eventually H1B, every extra day can matter to you. Travel now could become much more complicated. Students returning to America after September 15th may receive a fixed admission period instead of simply being admitted under the old duration of status system. However, current students are not being asked immediately to fill or maybe to file an extension. Existing students can generally continue under the current status until their applicable program or the OPT can end. Well, it is also subjected to the new rules. Now, the groups challenging the rules say that the DHS did not properly consider the impact and may have gone beyond the legal powers. Now, the court has a next move, a very special one. If the judge blocks the rule, the changes could now be delayed. If not, thousands of international students, including a large number of Indian students, may have to adjust to a new and a very different US education and immigration system. For Indian families investing huge amounts in American education, well, this is no longer just a visa issue. It is going to be directly affecting the children's study, the OPT plans, and the future careers in America.